From darkness, Rosso Corsa 322 rises. Ferrari doesn't appear, it reveals itself. Dawn over Maranello, and there, alone in the courtyard, the most powerful Ferrari ever built. Every curve on this fender was argued over for months. Nothing here is accidental. Aluminum, fire, precision. This is where the SF90 begins, not on a road, in a storm of sparks. Every station, every position, one of these will become the world's most powerful production Ferrari. 986 horsepower starts right here. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, placed by a machine, built for a legend. 3 electric motors, orange cables routed like arteries. This hybrid system doesn't assist the engine, it multiplies it. Hands and robots working as one. Ferrari doesn't choose between human and machine, it demands both. Carbon fiber. Rosso Corsa already perfect underneath. Every panel placed like it matters, because it does. Inside this booth, Rosso Corsa 322 isn't painted. It's born. Fully painted, fully assembled. Chrome horse, diamond wheels, yellow calipers. The SF90 Stradiale, complete. It moves for the first time. Rosso Corsa slicing through light, like it already knows what it's capable of. Every lens, every pixel of light, engineered to cut through darkness at 211 miles per hour. Dozens of chassis, different stages, and at the end of the line, one finished, one perfect, one red. This steering wheel is the only thing between the driver and 986 horsepower. Fitted by hand, inside Nero leather and Alcantara, a cockpit that belongs in Formula One. Nero leather, Rosso stitching, prancing horse embossed on the headrest. Even sitting still, this seat means something. Screens ignite, hybrid flow visualized. 3 motors, 1 V8, one system, showing you everything it's about to do. For the first time, 20-inch wheels touch the ground. The SF90 Stradiale stands on its own. Full power, strapped to the dyno. Wheels spinning at race speed, going absolutely nowhere. Yet. The number climbs. 900, 950, 986. Ferrari's engineers don't celebrate, they simply nod. Under that glass, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. Heat rising, power confirmed, legend sealed. Every panel underneath, aerodynamics, shielding, diffusers, inspected like a spacecraft before launch. Laser lines sweep the body. Not 1 millimeter of tolerance accepted. Ferrari measures perfection and then demands more. One gloved hand, running along Rosso Corsa 322, finding nothing wrong. Because there is nothing wrong. Silent, electric, effortless. The SF90 moves through the factory without making a sound. The calm before everything. Factory doors open. Daylight floods the hood. The outside world has no idea what's coming. Full power, open track, 986 horsepower unleashed for the very first time. Rosso Corsa 322, stretching time itself down the straight. This is what 211 miles per hour looks like. Hands on the wheel, shift lights screaming red. Every sense locked in. Nothing else exists. Out of the corner, diffuser working, exhaust glowing. The SF90 doesn't exit corners, it fires out of them. From above, a perfect arc, a perfect machine. Rosso Corsa tracing lines no other car can. Carbon ceramic, Brembo yellow. Stopping 986 horsepower is its own kind of engineering miracle. Shift lights fire. One pull, one gear. The engine screams higher. Gone in less than a second. That was the SF90 Stradiale saying hello. Track ends. Italian hills begin. This is where the SF90 becomes something more than fast. Vineyards, sunset, 986 horsepower. Nobody builds a road worthy of this machine. From above, Rosso Corsa cuts through the vines. No road holds it, it simply uses them. The charge port opens. Even plugged in, the SF90 looks like it's about to attack. Concrete, darkness, one spotlight. The SF90 Stradiale doesn't need a crowd. It commands a room by existing. Under the light, Rosso Corsa 322 isn't just red, it's alive. Metallic flakes catching every photon. Nero leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber. Red stitching running through everything. This cabin cost more to design than most cars cost to build. One button. The SF90 Stradiale wakes up, silent through Maranello streets. Rosso Corsa reflecting neon. The town that built it doesn't even hear it leaving. Electric ends, V8 begins. The SF90 just changed its personality without asking permission. One light, one car, pure darkness. Parked alone, the SF90 still looks like it's moving. Through the pillars, chrome horse, dead center. There it is. E-drive, hybrid, performance, qualifying. 4 modes, 4 different machines living inside one. Engine under glass in front, city lights behind, past and future reflected in Rosso Corsa 322. Mist on the track, first light. The SF90 waits at pit exit, perfectly still, coiled. It's gone. Rosso Corsa punching through the mist like a signal flare at dawn. Asphalt rushing, sun flaring. Chrome horse at the edge of frame, leading the charge at full speed. Full throttle, shift lights blazing. This pedal connects your foot directly to 986 horsepower. Tail lights streaking through chicanes. Yellow calipers gripping. The SF90 doesn't take corners, it dissects them. From above, a perfect racing line. No deviation, no hesitation, just Rosso Corsa, exactly where it should be. Water hits the disc. Even the brakes need a moment. The SF90 never does. Water beating on Rosso Corsa 322. After everything, it still looks untouched, immaculate. Numbers on a screen. 986 horsepower, confirmed. The telemetry doesn't lie, neither does Ferrari. Doors open, interior glowing. Nero leather in dim light, like a vault left open just long enough to look inside. One last time out of the garage. Warm light behind, cold road ahead. The testing is over, the legend begins. Empty station, frozen arms. Where the SF90 once stood, only the ghost of Rosso Corsa remains. A number stamped into steel. This VIN will be recorded in automotive history. Another skeleton moves down the line. Sparks, metal, repetition. Maranello never stops. The next legend is already being born. Between crates and concrete, Rosso Corsa 322 glows alone. Even stored, it refuses to disappear. Chrome prancing horse on a key fob, resting on Nero leather. This key unlocks more than a car, it unlocks a world. Glass walls, perfect light, Maranello outside. The SF90 Stradiale, exactly where it was always meant to be seen. Look at it. Rosso Corsa 322, breathing inside this bay like it's alive. One pull, and Ferrari opens itself to you. This moment costs $500,000. Nero, Alcantara, everything wrapped around you. It hasn't moved yet, and already, you're gone. There it is. Rosso Corsa 322. Morning light. Chrome horse leading. History. Moving. Maranello's gates don't open for just anything. Today, they open for this. From up here, it's just a red dot. But that dot is Ferrari. Moonlight hits Rosso Corsa differently. On this highway, the SF90 isn't driving, it's performing. Wheel, gauges, hybrid pulse. Every light ahead is a target. Taillights, pure darkness, engine window glowing. Nothing behind it keeps up. Nothing even tries. Blue flame, one downshift. The night just broke open. That's the SF90, saying hello. First light, coastal bridge, Rosso Corsa igniting. Some machines aren't driven, they're witnessed. Cliffside, sun rising, ocean below, no track needed. Ferrari doesn't need permission to dominate. Hand on Alcantara, selector glowing, sunrise on glass. Even stillness feels like 986 horsepower here. Ocean ahead, gold above. Rosso Corsa mirroring both. Parked or moving, It owns everything around it. Chrome, prancing horse, sunlight at the edges. This isn't decoration. This is Ferrari's promise, kept on every road, forever.